Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I just pre-ordered this 2 weeks ago and it just arrived today in the mail. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. Alright, so it looks like we have the box out of the packaging finally, so let's go ahead and cut the tape. Alright, so it looks like we get the Galaxy Buds because I pre-ordered the phone. I got Galaxy Buds as an additional order. So if you want to see an unboxing of that, I'll leave it down in the description. And here is the Galaxy S10 Plus in ceramic black. And that's all in the box. Alright, so let's just take a look around the box. So we have the S10 Plus. And then on the side we have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And nothing on the other side. And then bottom we just have the color that I got. And on the back it just tells you specifications about the device, and as you can see I have the 512GB version. Okay, so let's cut the plastic. Okay, so there's a tape here, and let's just go ahead and cut that open. So here's the S10 Plus, and inside we have some extra packaging in here. So it looks like we have this SIM ejection tool, and inside we have quick start guide, also some warranty card, and how to transfer to your new Galaxy phone. Alright, so here's the S10 Plus, so let's just get it out of its box. Oh, what's this? Set that to the side, see what else we can get. Okay, so just a little pamphlet. Inside we get the USB fast adaptive charging. And this is the same one from last year. We also get a USB Type A to USB Type C port. So this is used to transfer your old phone to a new phone. We also get a USB Type C port, which is hidden here. And we also get some AKG headphones, which is completely brand new. Redesign. It's black now instead of the blue finish, and as you can see on the back we have some extra ear tips, and that's all you get in the box. Right, so here's the device. So let's go ahead and peel off the back, and I don't think we need to peel off the front because it actually has a screen protector applied. So taking a look around the device, as you can see, it's actually a lot thinner compared to the S9 Plus. As you can see on the side, we have this nice ceramic, almost like a mirror finish to it. As you can see on the top, we have the sleep wake button. As you can see on the bottom, we have the headphone jack, we have the USB Type C port, along with a microphone and speaker. On the other side, we have the Bixby button and the volume up and down, and on the top we have the SIM card slash micro SD card slot, and next to that we have the microphone, and on the back we have our 3 cameras. So on the far left we have a telephoto camera, in the middle we have the wide camera, and on the far right we have the ultra wide camera. Next up, we have the flash and the heart rate sensor. So let's go ahead and power this on. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's just agree to all this. I'm just going to skip this for now. Alright, so I'm going to log in my Wi-Fi network. I'm just going to hit next. Okay, so it's asking me to sign into my Google account. We'll just skip that for now. Yeah, we're just going to skip it. Ooh, something happened. Just going to hit accept. We're going to skip that for now because I really want to show you the fingerprint in more detail. Okay, we're going to skip our Samsung account. And yep, just skip. And we're done. And there you go. So here is the S10 Plus fully booted. So let's go ahead and compare the S10 Plus to the S9 Plus. Alright, so here is a comparison between the S10 and S9 Plus. And as you can see, if we turn the screen on, so as you can see on the actual home, if we turn the display up a bit, let's just turn this up halfway. As you can see, there's actually minimal bezel on top, both top and bottom. So what Samsung has done is they've tried to eliminate all the bezel, as much bezel as possible, and actually made a cutout for the camera. So and also what I'm noticing in real life, I don't know if camera can pick it up, is that the S10 Plus screen is a lot brighter compared to the S9 Plus. So if we put it on full brightness on both of the screens, yeah, I'm actually seeing that, yeah, the S10 Plus is just slightly a bit brighter than the S9 Plus, but both have really good brightness displays. Okay, so if we compare this side by side, as you can see, the S9 Plus, apparently it's actually a lot thinner. Just feeling both in your hands, you can actually definitely tell a difference between the thinness with both devices. The S10 Plus is a lot thinner, and if we compare both devices, as you can see, the material they've used, I believe it's very similar, but the way they finished that material is a lot different. With the S10 Plus, because I have the ceramic version, and this all applies to both Prism and the ceramic versions, it actually has almost like a mirror finish to it compared to this matte aluminium finish. So as you can see right there, this actually or this type of finish reminds me of the iPhone 10 and 10s models. As you can see on the top, pretty much everything remains the same except the microphone position is different. It's kind of hard to see the black one, but the black one, the S9 Plus microphone is now relocated to, or the S9 Plus is on the left hand side, or yeah, the right hand side, sorry. Whereas now with the S10 Plus, it's now relocated to the middle. If you look at the volume buttons and the Bixby button, they're about the same, so nothing has changed there. And if you look on the bottom, as you can see, all the ports has remained the same. The only changes I can pretty much see is the speaker grill has now been redesigned differently. And the same on this other side. As you can see, the power button is slightly a bit higher compared to last year's model. I'm not sure how I feel about that, mainly because when I naturally hold the device, my thumb naturally rests on this position. So this is something I'll have to get used to. And if we look on the back, they've now repositioned the camera. So instead of this vertical cameras, now we now have this horizontal replacement. And then now if we just compare the back, as you can see, the ceramic version, it's a lot more shinier. It's more jewel-like compared to the S9 Plus. So yeah, so if you're planning to get the ceramic version, one of the benefits is you get a completely different material. This actually looks a lot more shinier in person, and it's not that black as well. It's more like a brushed brown is how I would explain it or describe it, compared to this, you know, all black design on the S9 Plus. Okay, so one of the new features with the S10 Plus, obviously the biggest difference is the design. So as you can see, we have a 6.3-inch display, and this is a Quad HD Plus display. And as you can see, we actually have a cutout for that camera hole now. So usually the software is really good in optimizing. So as you can see with the notification bar, everything has been shifted that hole punch out. Let's go on YouTube and let's see how different the viewing when viewing YouTube or videos are. Alright, as you can see, both are now playing in 4K HDR, and from what I'm seeing, the S10 Plus, just because it supports HDR10 Plus, the images are a bit brighter. It's really hard to illustrate in this because you're looking at through a camera, but in person it's actually a bit brighter. So that's one of the benefits with the S10 Plus screen. So we now zoom in to fill in the screen. As you can see, it does cut out some part of the screen, but overall it's not as bad. So it maybe at first it is definitely noticeable, but yeah, it's actually not that bad. So I think that's a really good thing. So another new feature with the S10 Plus is it actually now has the embedded or what they call the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So if we go into the settings here and we go into biometrics and security, you can actually set your own fingerprint. So so just asking me to put in a pin. We'll just do 0000 just for now. Obviously I'm going to change it after. So let's go ahead and I'll demonstrate how this works. So it says place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when you feel a vibration. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to get a full scan now. So every part, and there you go. So if we lock the device, and so it actually has a little sensor here, or little image to kind of tell you where to place your finger, and it works. There you go. I'm going to do it again. So yeah, so with this fingerprint scan sensor, obviously it's not as fast as your capacitive sensors, but it is it's actually pretty good. So I'm actually liking it. Also, one of the final features that this phone has, it now has the ultra wide sensor. So we got your standard wide, your zoom, and now you have your ultra wide lens camera. So if we put in this USB Type-C cable, or this adapter, sorry. So if we put the normal, as you can see, this is our normal, this is our zoom and wide. So that's a pretty good feature that Samsung has included on this phone. So that's it for my unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and I'll have more videos coming soon.